can do it.
Okay, let me get it ready.
Oh, you not help me. No. Don't help me.
I'm not helping you.
It's your turn now.
Hey, I got some in it.
You did. Are you gonna stir it all up? Rah, rah, rah for Rocket.
Turn, turn,
There you go.
Now clap step, clap step, clap
Put
step.
it in.
Drop it in. There you go.
Yeah. Now it's gonna be yellow.
There's more.
I do it all by myself.
There you go.
No, don't.
I'm holding it for you. You do it.
Dump it in.
How do you
Put
let
it in.
go?
I will let go when you turn it over.
Good job,
Okay,
Nick.
to do one more.
You did it. Keep stirring. He's making waffle mix.
Last one.
I do it all by myself.
Gotta grab it and keep it over the bowl.
Over the bowl.
Hey.
Okay, turn it over.
Mommy,
Turn it
I
over.
wanna do it all by myself. There.
There.
I all by myself. You see that?
I saw it.
No jelly bean. Ah.
Jelly beans.
Here, hold it. I'll put your hand on the handle. There. Okay, hold on 1 second. Let me put that down.
Oil. Oil.
That's the oil.
I'll do it.
Alright, mix it in.
Mix it all up. Rah, rah, rah for Rocket.
That's a pancake.
Yeah, don't touch it because it has egg in it to wash your hands. Now go like this, take it in your hands and spin it like that.
Okay.
Maybe it'll get out of the middle there. Do you want me to get it out of the middle there for you?
No.
Oh.
When I scoop it like this. There.
Well, we gotta mix it up a little more.
I
No, not that one. Put that leave it
What?
right there.
can do it. I can do it.
Alright, good job.
Like this.
Good job. Hold the handle. There you go. Alright. He's ready. We're ready to pour it. Wave bye to the camera.
Bye, camera.
Bye.